When working with Weldments, SolidWorks gives you the ability to create bounding boxes for any cut list item. A bounding box is a 3D sketch based by default on the XY plane and represents the smallest box in which the body fits. You can also show the dimension values from the bounding box and the cut list in a drawing. To create a bounding box, simply right-click an item in the cut list and click Create Bounding Box. You can also select multiple cut list items, right-click, and select Create Bounding Box as well. A 3D bounding box sketch is then created, and you can show it by expanding the cut list item. To delete the bounding box sketch, just right-click the cut list item again and select Delete. I mentioned earlier that by default, the sketch is based on the XY plane. If you want to adjust the orientation, you'll need a plane or planar face. Pre-select the face or plane you want to use as a reference, and then create the bounding box. With the bounding box created, I can switch over to a drawing. I've already got a cut list here, but to change a column to the bounding box, just double-click the column header and select Cut List Item Property and the bounding box value from the drop-down.